Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to switch from gallery to speaker view on Zoom. This is a really useful feature that allows you to focus on whoever is speaking at the moment rather than seeing everyone on the call at once. It's perfect for presentations or when you want to minimize distractions during a meeting. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, go ahead and join a meeting. This is where you'll actually make the view change, so make sure you're in an active call before proceeding. Once you're in the meeting, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled View. Click on that button and the drop-down menu will appear with different viewing options. From this menu, select Speaker. As soon as you click it, your screen will automatically switch to speaker view. This means that Zoom will now highlight the active speaker, making them the main focus on your screen. The other participants will appear in smaller thumbnails, usually along the top or side of the screen depending on your settings. Speaker view is particularly helpful during presentations or when someone is sharing important information, as it keeps your attention on the person who's speaking at any given moment. If multiple people start talking, Zoom will automatically switch the main video to whoever is currently speaking, which makes following the conversation much more natural. And that's it. You've successfully switched from gallery to speaker view on Zoom. It's a simple adjustment that can make a big difference in how you experience your meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.